Welcome to Newton Nissan in Gallatin, Tennessee. You can see this and other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2018 Nissan Versa, Newton certified pre-owned. Gives you peace of mind with a 7-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. These vehicles are fantastic when it comes to fuel economy. They make a great around the town vehicle, or saves you a lot of money if you're having to travel back and forth to college or other destinations. This is one of our Newton rentals, so it is barely has any miles. Okay. This one in particular has less than 3,000 miles. So if you're looking for something that is nearly new, but without the new vehicle cost, this might very well be the vehicle for you. Again, this is a 2018 Nissan Versa, Newton certified pre-owned, right here at Newton Nissan in Gallatin, Tennessee, conveniently located right across from Volunteer State Community College.